let's get this thing going. What's up, guys? So welcome part 2 of the console install. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna show you these parts. Okay, these pieces right here, this is passenger side, this is driver side. What I'm gonna do, I'm going to put these in. Y'all gonna watch me put these in, and I'm gonna set them up, and you're gonna see how the console gonna turn out, how it's gonna look. All right, so let me grab this right here, get these in. Put you guys here off in the corner, hoping that you guys are good, so I can find a way to put you guys in there. That should be good. Okay, so the first piece that I'm gonna put in is this one right here. This one goes back here in the back. I'm hoping you guys can see this real good. In fact, let me move this light here. Put this light down there like that on top, so it all can be seen. Okay, so that's the next piece there. This here is going to go. You see, guys, see I got the seat in as well. In fact, let me go over to the other side here. Put that over there. Put that right there. Okay. So let me see if you guys can see. So this piece is gonna go to the back. This here is gonna go up in the front. So let's see here. I'm thinking that, yep, goes like that. This piece here is gonna go up here, just like that. It's gonna do a little turn right there. Whew. So I need to see if I can go down like this. Just like that. And we're just gonna curve it down back there in the back. And this piece, I got that other piece over there that's gonna go up there. Now, you guys can't seem to see this, so I am going to just put you guys back off in this corner because I thought I can get a better angle, but I can't. We just gonna have to roll with it. Okay? Okay. Okay guys, it's the next day here, and I gotta tell you, this thing here, Michael Jackson Thriller ain't got nothing on this thing. This thing is ugly, but I'm gonna show it to y'all. It ain't finished yet, but it's firm and it's rigid, and everything about it is ready for business. All right, so look at it, it's solid. Can't even shake it. Well, you shake a little bit side to side because the way it's built for the floor. Floor is like that. So the thing is ready for business. I'm finna clean it up, do some more welding on it, and then I'm gonna show y'all the finished product. Well, it's only gonna be the frame finished product. I still gotta go get some sheet metal and frame this thing up. Plus I'm still waiting on a couple more comments about whether which shifter I should use, and should I center the shifter or put the shifter to my side so I can put cup holders on the side. So guys, let me grab that shifter right quick. Shifter sit like that. Say, as you can see on top of it, shifter sit like that. Cup holders will go on this side. What y'all thinking? What y'all thinking, huh? What y'all thinking? I'm thinking that like that right there. You know what I'm saying? And but probably need to make a decision on if I should. Here's another thing too. Should I take this off and just mount this to this, or leave it like that? Two decisions, y'all. I need help with. Two decisions. And I'm waiting on y'all. All right, so. So guys, we have got finished with it, doing a little grinding that we need to do on for right now, and then I'm gonna put it back in the truck, and we're gonna see how it look. All right. So let me get y'all set up so y'all can see this thing coming up in there, and then we gonna get down to business. Okay. All right. Oh. Let me do you like this a little bit so that you can see it come all the way in there and all that good stuff. All right, cut you out. Let's see if we get some little more light on the subject. There we go. So guys, let's see here. As you look at it, you can see the only thing I got left to do here is that I'm gonna pull this in some more, and we're gonna tighten that up against the roof there. But let me show you here that we are level. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. We are level. Any way you want to look at it, we are level. You see that? We are level all the way around. This thing is gonna be good to go. Tell you, this here is my wires for my seats. Yep, that's for my seats. So we'll be good on that. Yeah, lay that across there. Also, I need to get another wire going for my lights that I'm gonna put across the bottom here, and probably on the back. Oh my God. Hold on, y'all. Okay guys, I'm back. So back to what we was talking about. All right, so we are level. No matter how you look at it, how we set this up, this thing is level all the way around. I think this thing is gonna be pretty sweet. And it's gonna turn out better than what I thought it would. I need to get those seats cleaned. I'm thinking about taking that headrest off so there won't be a headrest on there. I don't know, but the seats got to be cleaned. Man, we almost there, man. We are almost there, and it's been a long journey. I tell you, a long journey. At the same time, we may not be almost there because I need to lay down some more sound deadener across here. Get that out of there. I think I'm gonna leave that because that ain't bothering nothing. I gotta take a look at it. Once I lay my carpet, I'll take a look at it to see. But hey man, that's gonna be the end of this video right now. The next one's gonna be skinning this thing, doing a little body work that we need to do to it to make it all the way smooth and correct. And then this project gonna be through. We're gonna move on to the next thing, and that will be popping these damn doors, getting them off, and doing the door pans in them, and doing this body work on them. Yep, on the front. Let's just say on this front and on the inside. We're gonna do the body work on that. We almost got this here squared away. This body work here is almost done. Almost done. I tell you, man, if I had some help, man, this crap would be done already. It would be done already. Yep. You can see we getting it. And I'm thinking about, man, trying something. I'm thinking about trying to do this whole thing with a tourney cover. Tourney cover, however you say it, but it's gonna be all metal. That's what I think I'm gonna do. It's gonna automatically come up and down. Not automatically, it's gonna be on what I can say, struts. It'll be on struts. But we'll see, man. We'll see if I do that or not. That is a big task that I don't know if I'm up to. Now, once we get this thing painted, man, I don't even think I still won't be done, because I still gonna have some stuff I need to do. Except for the body work has to be done, man. I gotta get this body work done. And if it's gonna, and I think come next week, that's all I'm gonna do is body work. So this thing will be ready by my imposed deadline so I can get it painted. Yep. And I see that Biden done start pushing out those checks, so we definitely getting this thing painted. Everybody I talk to say, hey, do the truck painted. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna get that truck painted. All right. So like, comment, subscribe, and we're gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace.